I think I am a creative person, but I never really found out how to express that until I started doing topiary. For me, seeing an unkempt shrub is like being in front of a blank canvas. Topiary can be done with a huge range of plants, although the most classic one are Taxus baccata, the common yew, or Buxus sempervirens, the box. Unfortunately, the box has been suffering from pest and disease, the box blight and the box caterpillar. Nowadays, there are a lot of studies about finding the right alternative to box. Osmanthus is a good alternative to box, and Podocarpus is definitely my favorite. At this time of the year, it's a good time to start clipping your topiary. To start with, it's very important to have good tools, good quality tools, and to have them clean and sharp. To help preventing any spread of disease, it's important to spray your tools with disinfectant before you start, and also moving in between different shrubs. Getting a cleaning block is a good start to keep your shears clean. The cleaning block will help rubbing off all the dirt, the sap from the plants, and also the rust. I suggest to bring with you a bucket of water with your cleaning block, and make sure that during the day, while clipping, you keep your shears nice and clean and prevent the building up of the sap between the blades. After cleaning your shears, it's then time to sharpen them. To get the best and healthy cut on your shrubs, it's very important to have very sharp shears. The correct use of a whetstone is to submerge it in the water until it gets completely wet. You can then start sharpening your blades. Work your way from one side of the blade to the other, making sure to keep the right angle, following the angle of the blade, using small circular movements. Then turn your blades, and on the flat side, you want to get rid of the burr using your sharpening stone. Be very careful and very gentle when doing it. To protect your blades from any eventual rust, you want to get some oil and cover completely the blade to make sure that the moving part will be lubricated. The clipping will be much easier with lubricated shears, and the metal will last much longer. When doing the actual clipping, you want to hold your shears in a correct position, keeping your hands closer to the blade. That will give you more control on what you're doing. If you're a beginner, you want to take some time to step back, look at your topiary, and make sure you're achieving what you want. If you're doing something more rounded, then you want to hold your shears upside down. When holding your shears upside down, the curve of the blade will help you achieving a nice rounded shape. Topiary is a great feature you can have in every type of gardens. Hopefully my suggestions inspired you and you will have a go at topiary at home.